Hi everyone, this is Marisa and this is my orchid life. I wanted to give you a quick update on my little desert roses. I just spent the last hour and a half potting up some new ones, but these are about a week and a half old. They're looking really good. Look how cute they are. Look at these. Another week and a half. These smaller ones are new, so another week and a half more and they'll be set to go out into the sun. Oh God, I feel like I'll never get done. And then I just ordered 1,100 more. Like this is probably about half of what I've got still. Oh, it's so much work. Anyway, thought I'd give you a quick update. Thanks a lot for watching.